Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and theories. And in this video, we are going to discuss the term Altercatio. Introduction. Altercatio, a term rooted in Roman legal practice, signifies rapid cross-questionings and replies, embodying a dynamic form of argumentation. This technique, while initially legal in nature, found its way into various literary forms, particularly drama, dialogue, and debate. This video explores the origins of Altercatio, its application in Roman law, and its evolution and impact on literature. The origins of Altercatio in Roman law. Legal context. In Roman law, Altercatio was a method used in courtrooms to elicit quick, precise responses from witnesses or defendants. Lawyers would engage in rapid-fire questioning to extract truth, highlight inconsistencies, or trap the opposition in contradictions. This approach demanded sharp wit and quick thinking, reflecting the adversarial nature of Roman legal proceedings. Techniques and purpose. The primary purpose of Altercatio in legal contexts was to uncover facts and challenge the credibility of witnesses. Lawyers trained in rhetoric and debate would use this technique to sway judges and juries. The rapid exchange of questions and answers aimed to build a compelling narrative while discrediting the opposing side's arguments. Altercatio in literature. Drama. In drama, Altercatio became a powerful tool for character development and plot progression. Playwrights used this technique to create tension, reveal characters' traits, and drive the narrative forward. The rapid exchanges between characters could highlight conflicts, misunderstandings, or alliances, adding depth to the storyline. Example: classical plays. Classical plays, such as those by Plautus and Terence, often employed Altercatio to enhance dramatic effect. The quick-witted exchanges between characters not only entertained audiences but also provided insight into the social and moral issues of the time. The use of Altercatio helped to create memorable, dynamic scenes that remain influential in modern theatre. Dialogue. Altercatio also finds a place in literary dialogues where it served to explore philosophical, ethical, or political issues through the interplay of ideas. The back and forth questioning allowed authors to present multiple perspectives, challenge prevailing views, and engage readers in critical thinking. Example: Socratic dialogues. The Socratic dialogues, although not Roman, reflect a similar use of rapid questioning to explore complex ideas. Plato's works such as The Republic and The Apology feature Socrates engaging in Altercatio-like exchanges to dissect concepts and uncover deeper truths. This method of inquiry became a cornerstone of Western philosophical tradition. Debate. In literary debates, Altercatio is employed to present opposing viewpoints and argue them rigorously. This format allows for a balanced exploration of issues, showcasing the strengths and weaknesses of different positions. Example: Medieval and Renaissance literature. Medieval and Renaissance literature often featured debates on theological, moral, and social topics. Texts like The Debate of the Body and the Soul or John Donne's Metapsychosis used Altercatio to present conflicting views, encouraging readers to ponder the complexities of the issues discussed. The impact of Altercatio on modern literature. Contemporary drama and dialogue. Altercatio continues to influence modern drama and dialogue, seen in the works of playwrights like Harold Pinter and David Mamet. Their use of sharp, rapid exchanges mirrors the classical Altercatio, creating intense, engaging, and thought-provoking scenes. Literary debates. Modern literary debates, whether in essays, novels, or public discourse, often adopt the Altercatio style to present arguments compellingly. The rapid questioning and answering format helps to engage audiences, clarify positions, and stimulate intellectual engagement. Conclusion: Altercatio, with its origins in Roman legal practice, has significantly influenced various literary forms, from classical drama and dialogues to modern debates. Its emphasis on rapid, incisive questioning and answering has enriched literature, providing a dynamic way to explore character, conflict, and ideas. As a testament to its enduring appeal, Altercatio continues to shape the way we argue, entertain, and think in literary contexts. So this was the discussion on the term Altercatio. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other topic. Until then, goodbye and thank you.